Greetings everyone. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about small oscillations. In general, mechanics of particles having small amplitude of oscillations is known as small oscillation. Simple pendulum is a very good example for small oscillation. To get better understanding in small oscillation, we have to concentrate on the particle's equilibrium position. Commonly, there are three types of equilibrium: stable equilibrium, unstable equilibrium, and neutral equilibrium. First, let us understand these equilibriums by a general example, and then we have to move on to the example which is related to our core. Assume a particle is at the center of the curved surface. The particle is being stable only because of the position where it is. Unstable equilibrium is contrary to the stable equilibrium. Unlike stable equilibrium, the position of the particle is not stable because of the surface where it is positionized. And comparing to the above two cases, it is very much easy to understand the neutral equilibrium. This is just for an understanding purpose. Let us move on to the examples which is related to our core. Stable equilibrium. By applying some small amount of energy, there is a displacement in a system from its rest position, and it results small bounded motion about its equilibrium position. F of x is equal to minus dv by dx, which is equal to 0, which represents the potential energy at the point is minimum. A rest pendulum is an example for this case. Being our example as a simple pendulum, the system comprises a particle suspended on a string. On applying minimum amount of energy to the pendulum which is at the equilibrium position, it moves up to a certain distance and regains its original state. Because of this bounded motion, pendulum comes under stable equilibrium. This is a potential energy curve for stable equilibrium. From this graph at point A, the potential energy is said to be minimum, which means the force minus dv by dx is said to be 0. After applying minimum amount of energy, when it is at equilibrium position, it moves up to Q and then back to its same place. This is the graphical representation of the definition which we have seen before. Unstable equilibrium. It generally deals with unbounded motion. Small displacement of a system from its equilibrium position results unbounded motion. F of x is equal to minus dv by dx, which is said to be 0, which means potential energy is maximum at that point. A good example for this case is an egg is made to stand on one of its side. From this example itself, we can able to confirm that it is an unbounded motion. This is a potential energy curve for unstable equilibrium. The point B states the potential energy is maximum. Neutral equilibrium. System on displacement is unable to move about its equilibrium position. Example: notebook or a coin is placed on a table. Here a 5 rupee coin is placed on a table. From this picture we can able to understand, unlike the previous two cases, it is said to be a neutral equilibrium. Normal modes. In an oscillating system, all parts of the system moves with the same frequency. Assume that system is composed of mutually interacting particles. The motion of one particle is influenced by the other and it develops to the entire system. This determines the normal mode. This is the formula for calculating the frequency of normal mode. Thanks for watching this video. Please do like and subscribe.